Hello everyone, I'm Marina Gestin and I'm here to present my Mat2 project, which is to create a household services application. So this is a full stack web application using Flask and VueJS. In this application, a customer can book services using service requests and a professional or service provider can either accept or reject them. And the admin in this platform oversees all the operations. To get an overview of this application, let me first log in as the admin. Okay, so an admin's main functionality is that they can create, delete or edit services. So for example, let me just create a service. Yes, and now you can also edit it or even delete it. So an admin can also view all the professional details here. They can view their profile document, and after going through that, they can approve, reject or block a professional. So for now, we'll approve Emma and reject Michael and block Ramesh. So an admin can also export all the service request details of a certain professional by clicking on the export button, and they can view all these details in a CSV file. It will look like this. Also, the admin can also view all the service request details as well, and they can search for professionals by their name, category or service over here. For now, we'll search for professionals in the cleaning category. Yes, so we have Sunita here, and the admin can block or review their profile again here as well. Now this is the stats for the service request status and ratings in the whole platform. This is implemented using ChartJS. Now the admin can also have an extended view of all the users and services and requests here. They can manage the users here, delete, block, delete services and all in this page. Now, if you are a user who has been blocked, you can't log in into this platform. For example, we just blocked, as the admin, I blocked Ramesh, and you can see that he won't be able to log in. Now, if you're new to this platform, you can always register as a new user. So let's go to the registration page and register. Okay, and you'll have to log in. So this is the customer's dashboard. As you can see, you can edit your profile details here. Here are different categories of services, and as a user now, I'm interested in booking a service, cleaning service. So you have 3 of them here, and I'm planning on going for the cleaning and organizing service. So we have a professional here, and we'll book that for today. Yes. I'm also interested in a meal prep service. Yes. So you can see both the requests I just sent, and now it's time for the professional or the service provider to accept or reject them. In the meantime, let's go search for some services. So right now I'm looking for services based in Mumbai. Yes, you have 3 of them here, and you can send a request from here as well. I can also search for professionals in this location as well and send a request from here as well. And over here you can view the stats of the service request. Now, if you're a new professional to this platform, you can always register as a professional as well. And you can upload their profile picture and profile document here. Yes, so since the admin is yet to approve or reject you, you won't be able to do anything in this platform. You can always edit your profile here and view your profile document here. So if you are rejected by the admin, for example, Michael was rejected earlier and he can't do anything in this platform as well, but he can re-upload his profile document here. Yes. So to view all the functionalities of a professional in this platform, let's log in as a approved professional. Also, this is a professional we sent a request to earlier. Yes. So this was the request we sent earlier. Now, for now, we'll accept it. Yeah, so over here, you can update your profile details. Example, like this. So the professional can search for service requests sent to them by their status or rating. Yeah, like this. And they can also see the stats of the service request statuses and the ratings here. So let's suppose Sunita has completed this service, and let's close it now. And let's go to the customer's dashboard and rate this service. Yes, so now we can rate the service and give it a remark or feedback as well. Yes. So those were the main user functionalities of this application. I've also added some advanced features like asynchronous jobs and scheduled reminders. So basically I've created 3 backend jobs. One will be a daily reminder to the professional to visit the website in case they have any pending requests. So this request is sent at 9 p.m. every day. And the second backend job is monthly report to all customers of all their service requests. And the third job was the export function we saw earlier, where the admin gets to view all the service requests of a professional in a CSV file. So for now, let's see how the mail I sent to the professional and customers look like. So for scheduling these tasks, I've used Celery Beats, and for the testing of the mail functionality, I've used Mailhog. So over here, you can see the daily reminder sent to the professionals. And this is how the monthly report sent to the customer looks like. Now, if I were to explain my approach to this project, I would say I first began setting up the VueJS frontend, integrating Vite as the build tool to optimize the workflow. I then created my database using SQLite and then developed the backend, enabling cores for integrating with the frontend. I then implemented the core functionalities like the login system, service and request management, then the role-based access control using a custom decorator called role required for the required functions. And then for security purpose, I've enabled JWT tokens. Then I've added the asynchronous jobs and scheduled reminders using Celery Task Manager and Redis for caching and the backend jobs as well. Also, I've used Flask for real-time notifications from the server. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching.